Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, and I want to talk about the GoPro Hero 10 Black. So is the GoPro Hero 10 Black worth it, and why? And if you're like me and you have a GoPro Hero 9 Black, should you upgrade to the GoPro Hero 10 Black? So first of all, let's talk about the form factor and the visual differences. So as far as looking at the GoPro Hero 9 Black, like I have, it says 9 Black on the side. The front it says GoPro. The GoPro on the Hero 10 Black is a different color. As far as the case design and all that, to my knowledge, it's identical. GoPro Hero 10 Black, they put some sort of different coating that's supposed to better resist water. But since it's the same form factor, couldn't you just get that GoPro Hero 10 lens cover and put it on the GoPro Hero 9 Black? As far as specs are concerned, the Hero 10 tops out at 5.3K, 60 frames per second, and the Hero 10 tops out at 4K, 120 frames per second. And the Hero 10 will do 2.7K at 240 frames per second. Now, in comparison to the Hero 9 here, it does 5.3K that tops out at 30 frames per second. The Hero 9 does 4K that tops out at 60 frames per second. And it does 2.7K at 120 frames per second. So basically across the board, 5.3K, 4K, and 2.7K, it's half the frame rate. Now, is 4K 60 bad? Not at all. I use 4K 60 all the time. If I had 4K 120 frames per second in here, would I use it? Probably only if I was doing some extremely slow 4K, retime video, something that I really want to get. The higher frame rate would benefit the GoPro user if they were filming something really slow motion and wanted it to look really cool on video. Now, as far as still photos are concerned, the Hero 10 has 23 megapixel photos, and it says 19.6 megapixel frame grab. So if you're grabbing a still from video, whereas the Hero 9, it's instead of 23, it's 20 megapixel for still photos, and the frame grabs instead of 19.6 megapixel or 14.7 megapixel. So if you're doing frame grabs, the Hero 10 is a little bit better. Now, in all sincerity, unless you're putting those frame grabs in like a huge video project, I mean, if you're using it for a thumbnail or whatever, the difference, discerning the difference between a still image that was captured from a GoPro Hero 9 Black continuous video versus a GoPro Hero 10 Black continuous video, it'd probably be hard to discern the difference. But there is a difference there. The biggest difference as far as performance is concerned with the GoPro Hero 10 Black is that it has a faster processor, and they call that faster processor the GP2, I think. So allegedly twice as fast as this. That's fine and dandy, and allegedly it's supposed to make browsing the menu faster. I've never had any problem with the speed of the menu on the GoPro Hero 9 Black that I have here, and most of the time I just use my smartphone that's paired with it and control my GoPro Hero 9 Black with the smartphone. So for me, a faster processor is not a big deal. I would say, and again, expand this video's description and then click the link there, and you can find both the GoPro Hero 9 Black, GoPro Hero 10 Black, and a ton of accessories. So, that's up to you. If I didn't own either, and I was going to get a brand new GoPro, yeah, I'd go with the GoPro Hero 10 Black. But since I own the GoPro Hero 9 Black, I can't see paying that much for another GoPro when my GoPro Hero 9 Black, at least the way I film, and again, I film in 4K 30 or 4K 60, so either of those modes are present on my GoPro Hero 9 Black. So, I mean, for me, I don't need it. If I didn't have a GoPro, I would get the GoPro Hero 10 Black. But since I have my GoPro Hero 9 Black, this is perfectly fine. Now, if you did, if money wasn't an issue and you wanted to get the latest GoPro Hero 10 Black, but say you had a ton of batteries already for your GoPro Hero 9 Black, those GoPro Hero 9 Black batteries should work with your GoPro Hero 10 Black. So, the cost of upgrade is significantly reduced if you're like, well, I would upgrade, but, I've got X number of batteries. you know, at least in this situation, going from Hero9 Black to GoPro Hero10 Black, you wouldn't encounter a situation where you'd have to rebuy the batteries. So, you know, GoPro makes great cameras. I love them. And it's one of those situations where, you know, only you can decide. You know your budget. You know what you need. But again, my best recommendation, if you don't have a GoPro, go with the GoPro Hero10 Black. If you've already got a GoPro Hero9 Black, unless you need that extra frame rate, unless you need those extra megapixels for still photos, granted, I've been using GoPro since GoPro Hero2 Black, and I've never really taken still photos. The photos that I've taken, I've extracted them from the full motion video. Because for me, a GoPro is something I can strap on my head, strap on my chest, strap on my motorcycle or whatever, and just film. And then, you know, capture the still photos if I need to later. You know, maybe I want to turn one of those into a thumbnail. That's a great way to do it. But using this as a camera, that's just, you know, for still photos, that's just not my style. It may be your style. For me, I'm using a Sony Alpha camera with a Sony G Master lens. I'm getting some really high-res photos. So, you know, this would not even come close to the photo quality of that. But it is what it is. It's wearable almost anywhere. It's rugged. It's highly water resistant. So, you know, you may need, in your filming situation, you may not be able to use, you know, a high-end camera for stills. You know, you may need something kind of ruggedized and waterproof like the GoPro. And in that situation, having the extra megapixels, having the extra megapixels for your GoPro may be an advantage. So, GoPro makes great cameras. I love GoPro. Again, I've been using GoPro since GoPro Hero2 Black. Subscribe to my channel. Ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. And check out my GoPro videos playlist. I've got a ton of GoPro videos now. Tons more coming soon. And again, if you're looking for the GoPro Hero9 Black, the GoPro Hero10 Black, the accessories, older model GoPros, expand this video's description and then click the link there and you can find where to order them online. Thanks for your viewership and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership and y'all have a good day.